All right, here we go again. Another quick little 5-6 minute video. These are really easy, really fast. Okay, I should change the name from Infinite Projects to Can of Worms. More cans of worms. That's all I ever have on this project. I did get this in the mail. This came from Japan. A friend of mine sent this to me. It's for the brake booster or something. Here, let me go take a look and see where it goes. I also had to order this Kakimoto, whatever. This box again. And I'll explain the can of worms that made me order that box again. So the brake boosters, under heavy braking, I think the booster does move under quick stabs, heavy braking, maybe for drifting. That's why someone made this. There's no name on it, so I don't know who made it, and it goes something like this. It installs right here on the shock towers with the 2 stock screw holes that are already in the chassis. I'm really curious to see how this thing works, or even if it does work. So I'll see if I can put a tape measure under the brake master, I guess. I'll do some soft presses, then firm presses, and then a quick stomp on it. We'll see if it moves. If it does, then that warrants having this thing. If not, it's alright. I didn't waste too much money. Let me grab my tape measure, set the camera up so you guys can see. I'm gonna have to turn the motor on in order to get a proper feel and mimic the day-to-day driving experience or whatever. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. So after reviewing the footage, it did move. I did 2 soft presses, 2 medium ones, and 2 a little more firmer, as if you're slamming on the brakes if a car came in front of you. Under actual driving conditions, I assume it would flex even more. So what this does, this mounts to the chassis, and there's a piece that goes in the front, and that will butt up against the brake booster. I think you just tighten it firmly, set the set screw, and that should be it. So another 5-minute video, but something else happened. Let me show you guys my other can of worms. The test pipe, I originally went with Just Jap Racing. If you guys saw my other video, Just Jap, the quality of their test pipe is unreal. The flanges are super thick, everything is just super good. But because it is a bigger diameter, I'm hitting on speed bumps, I'm hitting on a lot of things, and the car is not even that low. Let me see if I can take a look underneath and see if you guys can see what I see. All right, so the Just Jap Racing does sit a little lower, which is my damn can of worms, which is why I had to order this. Spending a ton of money unnecessarily, which is what I tried not to do. So let me open up this box and I'll show you guys what I have to help remedy this can of worms. Okay, so here it is. It is a sleeker, it's a little slimmer design. Let me pull off the one from the car, do a comparison side by side. I don't know, it says for race use only, but here it is. Okay, so let me film putting on the brake booster, stopper, whatever the hell you call that thing, and then I'll pull off this guy and then I'll show you guys a comparison. All right, that is it. Wow, that was pretty easy. Here's what it looks like. So I made it touch the brake master, snugged it, and then I went maybe 3/4 of a turn to apply a little bit of pressure. That should be it. That gives me an idea that maybe I should start doing this for a lot of my cars, my trucks, my every vehicle. Just gotta figure out how to weld it and make it. So next problem is to tackle the test pipe on this thing. Let me pull off the test pipe. I'll be right back and show you my can of worms. All right, so I took it out. The flanges of this thing is thick. That's why I love just Jap Racing. But like I said, the only thing, it's a little bigger in diameter, so it's been hitting, and here's the evidence that it's been scratching and hitting. Not too bad, but here they are side by side. You can see the flanges of the Kakimoto, whatever. The flanges are a little thinner, but the overall diameter is thinner. Right, hopefully this solves my can of worms for this project. Let me throw this in and we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna put this in, I'll be right back. All right, the new test pipe is in and this is what it looks like. So it gives me about maybe, let's say, 1 inch more of clearance, which is perfect. It's exactly what I need. Okay, let me recap today's project. I must make a correction on something I said earlier. So to correct what I said earlier, yes, the brake master does move. The brake booster does move. In fact, the whole rear firewall moves, which is the purpose of the brake master booster, whatever, this little brace. It looks like it's from Cusco. I'm not 100% sure, but it does work. I felt an immediate difference as soon as I touched the brake just on regular driving to slow down. It's worth it. It's freaking worth it. Like I said, I may try to do that to the rest of my trucks, just because I can. Anyway, that is it for another super fast project. I have a ton more things to do, a lot more. I need to do the transmission, I need to do the GTR conversion, I need to still change the clutch on the 4Runner. I got so many projects going on. Well, thanks again for sticking around, guys. 5 minutes. Hope this helped out someone, or not, whatever. Have a good day. I'll see you guys again on my next project.